Hi, welcome to our math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on inequalities. In this video, what I want to do is I want to take each of these two graphed inequalities and write the equation. So to do this, I want to write the equation in y equals mx plus b, which means I need the y-intercept and I need the slope. Well, the y-intercept is right here, 0, -3. Let's see, there's a point here. Looks like there's a point here. Looks like there's a point here. My slope, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. My slope is 3/4. Okay, so y something, 3/4 x minus 3. To figure out my inequality, some of you are going to look at this and say, hey, on the number line, it's below, so y is less than. And if you can see that from the graph, brilliant. However, I'm going to show you how to do this if you cannot do it quite that easily. So I'm going to take a point. I'm going to take this point right here, which is 8, 0, and I'm going to test it. And it has to be true because it's in the shaded region. So when y is 0, this has to be true. 3/4 times 8, let's see, that becomes a 2. 0 is what of 6 minus 3, because 3 times 2 is 6. 0 is what then 3? 0 is less than 3, which means y is less than 3/4 x minus 3. Because it's dashed, it is less than and not less than or equal. Okay, let's look at our next example. My y-intercept is right here at what looks like 0, 0. And there's a point right here, and a point right here, and a point right here. So my slope is down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2. So my slope is a -1/2. So we start with y is something, -1/2 x. Now some of you are like, again, it's below, so it's less than, and it's a solid line, and it's less than or equal. And if you can see that, again, brilliant. But I'm going to test a point. So the point I'm going to test is I'm going to test this point right here, which is -4, 0, a point solidly in the shaded region and not on the line. All right, if y is 0, this has to be true, -1/2 times -4. 0 is what of -2 times -1? 0 is what of 2? Well, 0 is less than. So y is less than -1/2 x. But because this is a solid line, we put an equal sign, so it's less than or equal to -1/2 x. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.